Welcome back guys, I hope you all doing well. Do you want to see glossy eye makeup? I have done glossy eye makeup and I'm going to show you the tutorial of it. So let's get started and do watch it. I'm already done with my base, so I'm starting with the contouring. To contour well and keep blending. If you wish to see my base makeup, check the earlier videos. Apply blush and blend. Now I'm starting with the eye makeup, so apply a concealer on the eye base. Use a lighter shade and apply it on the crease and blend. Blend the ends as well. Then apply your favorite eyeshadow on the center of your eyelid and take it to the inner and outer corner of the eyelid. Blend well. Keep blending. I have got hooded eyes, so I'm taking my crease a little higher. Blend well. Mix it with the crease. And then apply a gloss. You can also use Vaseline jelly in case if you don't have a gloss. Also take it a little higher. Curl your lashes. Apply a mascara. Apply the same color eyeshadow on your lower lash line and blend well. Apply a lighter shade kajal. And then lashes. Also, to give a full effect of gloss, add gloss to your lips as well and make them look glossy. Then highlight your cheeks and your T area. Highlight more. And then you're done. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked the video and shower me with your love and blessings. Like, share and subscribe, and do follow me on Instagram as well. So stay tuned.